Welcome to our channel. If you need to close your Bank of America account, follow these step-by-step instructions to ensure proper account closure and fund transfer. Step 1. Before closing your account, transfer or withdraw all funds except enough to cover any pending transactions and final fees. Step 2. Stop all automatic payments, direct deposits, and scheduled transfers associated with your Bank of America account. Step 3. Wait for all pending transactions, checks, and deposits to clear completely to avoid complications or fees. Step 4. Contact Bank of America customer service by calling the number on the back of your debit card to initiate the closure process. Step 5. Alternatively, visit a Bank of America branch in person with valid government-issued identification to close your account face-to-face. Step 6. Inform the representative that you want to close your account and provide them with your account number and reason for closure if asked. Step 7. Decide how you want to receive your remaining balance, either as a cashier's check or transfer to another bank account. Step 8. Sign any required account closure forms and obtain a written confirmation that your account has been closed. Step 9. Destroy your debit card, unused checks, and any Bank of America account materials. Keep the closure confirmation document for at least a year for your records. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel.